So welcome back, guys. You are welcome to Tech Foundry, and this is Adiguru Tosin. I'll be your instructor. This is the HTML CSS crash course. So we are on the HTML crash course section of it now. So if you are a new subscriber, please do well to subscribe to this channel, and also if you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend this video to as many people that needs to know how to use HTML. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the HTML crash course. So we move on. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a computer language that makes up most web pages and online applications. A hypertext is a text that is used to reference other pieces of text, while a markup language is a series of markings that tells web server the style and structure of a document. So now, to create an HTML document, we need to use a text editor. Creating a web page for our HTML tag, we need an HTML editor. What is a text editor? A text editor is a computer software that helps you to write your code on your computer. Some example of text editor we have the VS Code, we have the Sublime Text, we have the Atom, we have the Notepad++, and we have CodePen.io and lots more. But for the purposes of this tutorial, we shall be using the VS Code. So to get the VS Code, all you just have to do is to go to Google. By the time you get to Google, type in VS Code and then you click on the download button. You have it on your website. So let's just go and do that now. So now let's go to our browser. Now we're on our browser now. Just type in Chrome. Three, 4, 5.